How to delete hidden apps on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Here, on my home screen, as you can see, I do not have the Spotify application anywhere, and neither the Spotify application is shown in the app library. However, if you scroll down, then you will see the hidden tab option there. So tap on the hidden tab option and you will be required to enter your Face ID. So go ahead and enter your Face ID, and here, as you can see, Spotify has been hidden. So, if you want to delete the Spotify application, then launch the Settings application on your device. Further, tap on the General option you see there and then tap on the iPhone storage option. Now, in the interface that you would be led to, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for hidden apps. Tap on that and you will be required to enter your Face ID or passcode again. So go ahead and enter your biometrics and you will then be able to view all the hidden apps on your device. Tap on the app that you want to delete and then tap on the delete app option. You will be required to enter your Face ID again, so go ahead and enter your Face ID, and when prompted, tap on delete again, and with this, the Spotify application or the hidden application from your device will be deleted. So this is how you can delete hidden apps on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.